Hi, thanks for joining me. This is the project we're going to make today. Isn't it cute? Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need a piece of 9x9 designer paper, and this is the Flirtatious designer paper in our catalog. The first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. You are going to need your bone folder. Then you're going to fold it in half the other direction. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this point into this point here, and you're going to do this on all four corners. And sometimes if your designer paper is really busy, it's kind of hard to see. Once you get that first one, then the rest of them you can just kind of line up. Okay, so now that you've got it like this, what you're going to do is take this piece and fold it into this point, okay? And then do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now let's open this up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this, turn it over, and we're going to fold it to this point here, okay? And do this side just like that. Okay, so now that you've got it just like this, what you're going to do is open everything up and use your bone folder and get those crease lines really good, okay? Okay, so let's take it back to the position that it was in, which is just like that, okay? Now what we're going to do is take this, there's a score line right there. So what you're going to do is fold this over that score line. And then this one down here, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Okay, so now it's going to look just like this. What you're going to do is raise this up. You're going to start to see it form. Raise this up, and then here's your box right there. And you're just going to fold this piece in, and then do the same thing on this side. So you don't really need any adhesive on this, because once we get the sides locked in, they're there. Okay, so there's the box. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is take a piece of Wisteria Wonder cardstock and just put it right in the bottom. And this piece measures 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. Okay, so now we're going to do the handle. The designer paper measures 1/2 by 11 inches, and the Wisteria Wonder measures 3/4 by 11 inches. So we're just going to attach this. Then I'm going to take my bone folder and just kind of curve it. There we go. We're going to take 2 of the flower brads And then I like to pick out which side looks like the front, which one looks the best. I think this one looks pretty good. So I'm going to make this my side. And then I'm just going to take my paper piercer and poke a hole. Now this brad they're pretty large, so I want to really make the hole large. So just kind of twist it. I love these brads. I hope they don't retire. Our accessories retirement list is going to be coming out in a few days. And then we'll come over here to the other side. Okay, so we've got our box made. Isn't that neat? Okay, we're using the Posy Punch stamp set. This is a Hostess set. It will be retiring the end of May. We're going to use Wisteria Wonder ink, and we're going to stamp this flower 2 times.